This is the 2025 Entegra Accolade XL 37L. First, we'll show you the outside features, then the inside features to give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and a build quality rating. Let's go. This has the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel in it. We'll come around the sides. We have our side view cameras here. It's riding on Michelin 22.5 inch tires. Your outdoor television is right here, but if you're short, you might have some issues closing that door. The storage is carpeted. More storage. And it continues all the way through to here.
Oh wait, John, is this pass through?
Yes, all the way through from the front.
Oh, and then going towards the back, you have a little bit of a room to pass through as well. Cool.
More storage. And even more. This side is nothing but storage.
That's a lot of storage.
That is a lot of storage. Let's check out the other side. You have a full-length ladder on the back, a full window, and a rear view camera up top. Now, I don't know the hitch rating on this.
But that's okay. Why, John?
Because we will put the specs right here. Watch your head. Or I should say, watch my head.
Watch your head. I'm too short.
Here's your Aqua Hot 250D. And your Onan 8000 generator. And your wet bay. Outdoor shower, city water, cable connections, macerator, on-off switch. The whole house filter is also in there. There is also a place to put your paper towels.
And I guess you could put some soap here or Perel here as well.
Oh yeah, that looks like you could do that. Diesel fuel. The other side of your storage, there's also the electrical.
And this passes through as well, John.
This show. Pass through all the way to the front there. There you have your Xantrex inverter. And here's access, easy access to your batteries. To the
Is that tray slide out, John?
Yes. It unlatches here. You would make me do this.
Of course I'm going to make you do it.
Geez, this one seems to be stuck. There we go.
Watch your head.
I'm trying to do all this at once. There you go. It comes out. There. I'll put it back in now because it's heavy. Side view camera here and def goes here. Cargo carrying capacity for this unit is 4,248 pounds. That's the outside. Let's check out the inside.
While John takes the captain's chair, we're just going to do a quick walk around to see the layout of this RV. And while we're walking, I just want to let you know that we are not associated with any manufacturers or any dealerships. We are just RVers who love looking at RVs in the show. Okay, John, I think we are ready for you.
All right. This is on the Freightliner custom chassis. So it's a truck, but it has hands-free on the steering wheel, which I do like about the Super Cs. We have the heating and AC controls here. All your other controls are up here. Your leveler is there. Your Sony touchscreen right here in the middle. We do have some storage up here and some lamps, but it's pretty basic truck cabin. So let me head out. As I come out, this is your overhead bunk, and it has storage on either side in the nets and down below. Also, it has the large front window, lets in a lot of light. To my right, this is where your light controls are and your inverter controls. Oh, there's a cabinet right here. It's a closet with hooks.
I love that.
I do like that it has some place to put your coats when you come right in. Over here, I'm in the dinette, and it is roomy. It has enough room for 4 of us. 2 cup holders, window that actually opens.
And this folds down to be a bed, right, John? Does it?
The table does go down, yes. And it has a lip right there for it to land into. Above me, we have LED lights under the cabinets. Let's take a look at the cabinets. They are pass-through up until there, so you have 3 and 3. Look at the size of this light.
That's huge.
Let's go to the living room, and we have this. Is it a recliner? I think it's just a couch.
Does it become a bed, or does it do anything? Does it do any tricks, or?
It has a pull-out bed underneath. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool. Let's pull it out and see how long.
Oh, you want to actually pull this
Yeah,
out?
why not?
Sherry's making me do work today.
That's right. Earn your money.
What the? I don't get any. Let's see. Up, 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 and over, and that's one. Hold on. Whoa. Wow,
Now,
that's pretty big.
That mattress, though, doesn't look very comfortable. Can you lie down on it and tell us how that feels?
It feels like springs.
Does it really?
I mean, I could sleep
Oh,
on it.
John, it's an air mattress.
There you go.
Okay.
Now I feel better.
See right there by your head? That's where the air pump goes.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. See, learn something every day. We don't know these things. It's not too hard to set up.
And it looks like it also has seatbelts so that you can sit there when you're driving, too.
Yeah. There you go. All right. Now, let's get to the kitchen.
One other thing I just want to mention is that this does have safety latches for a car seat.
Oh, yeah, that is a nice touch. All right. Whew. Oh, before I go to the kitchen, you have your fireplace, which has a heater in it. A little shelf here with a hidden light. Your television, which actually comes out and you can angle it more towards the couch. Oh, I think I did something. I'll fix that. It doesn't want to cooperate.
You know, John, you haven't broken anything this show, really. Well, maybe the one microwave, which is unusual for you.
I know, I should.
I just keep waiting for it to happen.
I should have broken something by now.
I know.
Above that, you have these two cabinets. Ooh, man, stiff. This is where your audiovisual equipment goes.
Does anyone still use that term?
I know. I don't think anyone does. I don't think anyone uses the equipment anymore. They just plug in a fire stick or something and go. All right, the kitchen.
Do you need a break?
No, I can take it. Now, we have this deep farm-style sink with a sprayer. This is brushed aluminum, it looks like. But look right here. This is the first thing I noticed.
That is good. That is a lot of counter space, which means a lot of prep space, which means I like it.
Right, and a 2-burner induction, large panoramic style window, small cabinets right here, larger ones up top. That passes all the way through. Convection microwave, I think.
Yes, that is convection, John.
It is convection. Large, deep drawers under the stove.
It's just, oh, is it 2?
Yeah.
Can we do the sturdiness test? Because you're going to put things that are heavy in a drawer like this, like your Ninja, your crock pot, things like that.
Yeah, feel that.
It's pretty sturdy.
I think so.
Here, you take the camera. Oh, yeah, the bottom there is pretty sturdy. It's not finished, though.
No. And then we have a couple of drawers here. A larger drawer there.
Now, wait a minute. What was... Oh, those are the covers for the sink in the top
Oh,
drawer.
yeah, the top drawer had the covers for the sink. That's deep.
Oh, that's a good amount of storage under there.
Yes, that is. And finally, you have that one.
You could put more than a mini trash can in there. You know? Like most RVs, you can just fit a really small trash
very
can.
tiny trash can.
You could put a big one in there. I like that.
What do we have for an LG fridge with an ice and water dispenser?
That is huge.
Yes.
But you know, this is a bunk bed model.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
It is.
So you'll have quite a few people here.
Yeah, so you need this residential size refrigerator. Let's go back here, oh, one more thing for the kitchen.
Yes, I love pantries that pull out.
Your bunk beds. And let me see, does this one? No, these are permanently installed. So there's no hanging anything in this. This is just bunk beds. They do both have LED lights. You have a television mount, a TV there. Actually, this looks like it's one of those that you fit your device in. So you can put your iPad in there. And there's one down here too, and outlets. This bottom one has, no, it just has curtains. Both have curtains. They have 2 drawers. That's 1 drawer for each bunk, people. Let's go over here across from there. It's just no, this is the bath for the unit. And it's roomy. Toilet paper's behind me, though.
It's still reachable.
Yeah, it's still reachable. Lots of counter space there. Large medicine cabinet. Lots of storage under there.
Oh, that's plenty of room.
And another cabinet.
Well, you know, this does, I mean, you can probably carry at least 4 people in this, so you need to have a good amount of storage in it. Now,
the shower, it's a decent size for me. You know, it's a little bit.
Well, close the door, let's see.
I mean, it's okay for me. And this would be up here. So I'm 5'6". I think it's tall enough for someone a little taller than me, but not huge. Let's go out of here.
And the bathroom has a sliding door.
Oh, it does. Yeah, single sliding door. Now into the bedroom.
Now, John, this is a bunk model, right? So
yes.
A lot of parents, when they see a model like this, they want to know how much that door closes off. Like we've seen some bunks where there's a big opening and parents don't really get their privacy. So can you close that?
Look at that. Nobody poking through here.
Okay.
Come on in and you can see this. You have your Splendid washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Back here is your wardrobe.
Oops.
Oh, the door doesn't want to cooperate. A small storage area left of the TV and, of course, the TV. Now to the bed area. Let's see. Oh, look what I see. Is this?
Oh, that's interesting. Well, I don't know if you have that when the bed's down.
No, it looks like you don't. But it's here when the bed is up. So you can sit here and get dressed. Around the side, you have small end tables. They look big enough for a CPAP if you need one. They have 2 little cubbies for storage there. Same on this side. The power is in the bed pedestal, so you have to reach down low to get the power.
And you have your emergency exit back here.
Yes,
in the rear.
It's in the rear.
Right next to the ladder.
Yes. And this is not bad. This is pretty comfortable here. There's no cutouts for any CPAPs from up here, so you'd have to put it down low.
I know I'm looking at this emergency exit, but for me, like, I remember once I wanted to use the emergency exit in our bounder and I couldn't because it was too high and I couldn't climb out. But with something like this, like you have those bars going across on the ladder right there, so you could open this up, step on those bars and just take the ladder down. That's
true. That would be much better than trying to fall out of a window.
Especially when you're short.
Yes. Now this is pass-through storage with power inside. You have reading lamps here. And that is it for this unit.
What is your pet peeve?
My pet peeve, well, for a family unit that has, it has bunk beds, the master bedroom, an overhead bunk, and a pull-out sofa, it has 1 bathroom.
Yeah, I'm with you. You can sleep 5, 6, 7 people in this RV.
Yeah, and you're all fighting over the same.
And you're all using the same bathroom. That's not going to go well. My favorite feature, I always love when RVs have counter space.
Yes.
So mine's going to say the counter space and the amount of space you have in the cabinet.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna, for those of you who are new to our channel or not familiar with our process, we do something called the build quality rating. Basically, we're checking the fit and finish of the RV that we are currently in. And so, you know, we're gonna go check that out and come right back to you. Correction, folks, this can actually sleep 9 people. 9 people.
9 people.
Actually, John and I are very pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
I've seen a couple of really minor things with like the sealant just not being equal, but like everything is pretty well sealed. I don't particularly like the way the walls are in the bunk beds at the foot of the bed.
Yeah, a little light.
I don't know if that's the head or the foot, probably the
That's
head.
the head.
I don't. It's a little light,
Yeah.
especially for a diesel, something of this size, right?
Right.
And this price point. But otherwise, this is pretty good. What do you think, John?
I give it at least an 8, maybe 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
It's
well
pretty
built.
Good. Yeah, it's well built. I just see a screw that's not in right, but you know. Okay, John, I'll go with the 8.5. Folks, let us know what you think of this model. What's your pet peeve? What's your favorite feature? And if you want to check out some more videos, take a look at this one right there.
Yes, always here.